Hi guys, have you ever wanted to build your own multiplayer games that hit the stores like Pixel Gun 3D, Shadow Gun Legends, Golf Clash? If so, this course is the right choice for you. My name is Tevfik, I'm a self-taught game developer and I have been developing with Unity for almost 2 years and I have 2 best-selling Unity courses on Udemy. In this course, you will learn the basics to build multiplayer games. And we will do this with Photon. Photon is the world's #1 multiplayer solution that has been powering top hit games. In the first section, we will build Pixel Gun 3D clone project from scratch. It will be your first multiplayer game. By building this game, you will learn lots of things, like creating and joining random rooms with Photon, instantiating remote players in the same room, synchronizing player movement and player health across the network. In the second section, we will build a mobile multiplayer FPS game from scratch. In this section, you will learn more advanced stuff in multiplayer games, like how to create rooms by name and maximum players, how to list the existing rooms, how to list the players in the room, and of course first-person shooter basics like FPS hands and 3D player models. This will be a mobile game, so we will add mobile controllers. Also in this section we will work on animations, and we will learn how to synchronize player animations across the network. Lastly, we will implement a basic respawning mechanism after the player got killed. So, if you wanna build your own multiplayer games, you come to the right place.